Hey, what's up everybody? It's that Guy Skimpy. Hey, sorry it's been a long time since my last video. I've had a lot of things going on, been pretty busy. Anyways, this is going to be another Got a Question episode. I've got a few emails asking how to make the blood splatter effect on, blades and jigs and stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do it on a chatterbait blade and the jig. So that's the blood splatter effect on the blade. And then that's it on the jig there, on chatterbait. So anyways, let's go over the things you're going to need to do this effect. Okay, so this is the stuff you're going to need. You're just going to need a little cup. You're going to need your red paint. And you're going to need a toothbrush. And obviously the things you're going to be doing the blood splatter on. Okay, so it's a pretty easy process. So you just get your red paint and you get a little container and you put it in the container. You take a toothbrush and you just kind of get the paint on there and then you just kind of flick it. And you can put as much or as little as you want. Try to get a close up here.
Pretty simple.
Okay, gonna do the jig now. Same process. You get the paint. You just kind of flick on it. That's all there is to it. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Sorry it wasn't such in focus when I was painting it. And this is what the blade looks like. It's a pretty cool effect. Just something different. Okay, so I put some eyes on there. Just waiting for it to dry before I finish it up. The eyes come in a sheet. You get all different color eyes. I got the they call it a duo snap swivel deal on there. Alright guys, so here it is. And then what I did is I already made a skirt. I did 2 tabs of white and 1 tab of this color. You know what? I don't even know what it's called. It's has like a pumpkin and then red in there. So anyways, it's time to put this on. Slide it right through. there, and then let's get some scissors and cut it. All right, we got to cut the tabs. And what I like to do is kind of straighten it. There you have it. Alright guys, so there it is. That's how you make the blood splatter effect. Pretty simple to do. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully you learned something. Thank you to everybody who's watching. Thanks to everybody who's subscribed and shares and comments and likes all the videos and stuff, man. I do appreciate it. Shout out to Do It Molds, shout out to C2 Castware, shout out to Trigger Happy Comfort Grips, shout out to Living Rubber, and shout out to Line Cutters. Alright guys, that Guy Skimpy.